Buying something out of Amazon or buying something out of the internet. Jeff Bezos is the person who really revolutionized that industry. You sit in your home, you sit in your office and get what you really want. That has been changed. That has been revolutionized by that particular man. Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 202. And in this episode, we'll discuss about what is the purpose of life. Why should you live this life, and what is the purpose of life? Can you have different purpose of life? I mean, many purpose of life. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start.
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end,
You know, plenty of people think that there is one purpose of life in your entire life. There is just one purpose that you should work on, and for many people, it is just like build a home, get a car, make a family, and just make your family members, just make your kids to repeat that same cycle, and that is the end goal of their entire life, and that is the only goal of their life. If they do that, that will be the end, and they'll find moksha for sure. So that is not the life that I am talking about. I am talking about something different. The life that I am talking about is completely different. You have different purpose of life in your entire journey in this earth. Trust me, this is true. It is not that you should only have one purpose of life. If I just earn $1 million, that is your end goal. No, that is not life. Your purpose of life that changes every single time when you just evolve in your life. Say you're just studying in 10th standard, you're just studying in your SSLC or 12th standard or PUC or something, like you're just studying in your degree. Finishing that it would be your end goal. Finishing that would be your end goal. Like, if I do that, I'll be completely happy. But when you just do that, what happens after that? You should start getting a job. So this is a cycle that has been formed by many people. You don't have to follow that path. That is for some other people. You just don't have to follow everything what people tells you. Just assume this, just imagine this. What if Jeff Bezos thought that my entire life I have been the world's richest man, and my company that I have created, it's $1 trillion company. It's one of the richest company in this entire world. And why should I really work anymore? If he thinks that, he would have never created an other project. He would have never created something like Alexa, or he would have never created something like Blue Origin, a company which is space research company. So he would have never felt that life is not that you should stick on to one particular path, you should stick on to one particular goal in your entire journey. No, life is not that. As you evolve, your goals really evolve every single day. You don't really have an option to choose your passion. You don't really have an option to choose your goals. Your goals choose you to be true. Your passions choose you to be true. And your job is to stay attention and to get that goal and to serve that passion and to be a server for that passion. And once you just completely dedicate yourself for that passion, once you completely dedicate yourself for that goal that you really had in your life, trust me, you will win in your life. That is how people are. Any great people out there who have achieved in their entire life, they are not working for money. You might feel like Jeff Bezos is just working for money. If he just stop working today, even though if he stop working today, his assets will be exponentially increasing every single day. But that man is still working. Why? Is because he has changed his end goal, he has changed his passion. It is not that I'm gonna tell you that he is completely greedy. No, it's not really that. It's not Jeff Bezos is completely greedy. Maybe he is, but maybe he's not. But the thing is, entrepreneurs are people who change this entire world. If you buying something out of Amazon or buying something out of the internet, Jeff Bezos is the person who really revolutionized that industry. You sit in your home, you sit in your office and get what you really want. That has been changed. That has been revolutionized by that particular man in this entire world, right? So the money is the thing that they make, but what is the value that you get out of it? That is enormous. So try to understand in your life, it is not that you just have one particular goal. You might have different goals. That is the biggest strength that you have. There are people who tell you that no, you don't have to work on many goals, you don't have to do work on many goals, just stick on to one particular thing for 10 years, just stick on to one particular thing for 40 years. Some people might tell you that for I have 40 years of experience. Your age is my experience. Man, that's not something that you have to be proud of. You're doing the same shit for 40 years. How dumb does that sound like? So 1 year that you have tried to learn it, that's fine. The second year that you have done to master that, that is the only thing that is necessary. After all that, you could have automated that, but you dumb person, you didn't do that. You were doing it for the past 38 years and you feel so proud of that. That is completely dumb according to me. Yeah, and the shout out in this episode is for be aware in the business. So that is a great page that I have seen, and they motivate me a lot to be true. And a huge shout out for you, brother. And go follow that page in Instagram. So check out their content. It is worthwhile, worth looking at their content, liking it, and you get tons of value out of that particular page. And yeah, meet me in my next podcast. If you could hit that red button, that would make me so happy. And the notification button next to that, if you hit that, you guys mean a world to me. Why? Is because I give you motivation dose every single day, and I am delivering it at 4 a.m. sharp. And I'll meet you guys at my next podcast or my next video. Until then, it's me, Sanjay, signing off. Meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.